Launching a server usually involves complex setup, but what if everything was done automatically? With CloudRaptor, server provisioning is fully automated. From installation to security, everything is configured for you. When you launch or connect a server, CloudRaptor prepares it for hosting applications by installing software, securing the system, and configuring services. Here's what happens behind the scenes. CloudRaptor creates or connects to your server instance, verifies the operating system, and establishes a secure SSH connection. It then installs required system packages, configures firewall rules, and sets up the full server stack. Finally, it registers the server with the CloudRaptor agent and ensures all services are running correctly. During provisioning, several key components are installed automatically. This includes Docker, Nginx, MariaDB, PHP FPM, WP-CLI, and the CloudRaptor agent. Everything is ready without any manual setup. CloudRaptor also secures your server by configuring firewall rules, securing SSH access, generating internal SSH keys, and applying system hardening. You can monitor the entire process through real-time logs in the dashboard. The server status will show initializing during setup and active once everything is complete. After provisioning, your server is fully configured, secured, and ready for application deployment. That's how CloudRaptor simplifies server provisioning from start to finish.